Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hanif from Jabar with name 20024 Okay, here I will explain my report practicum. In this video, I will create a connection for routing. Okay, first step, I share for 3 subnet and 3 one. Okay, first subnet is subnet C equal 14.5 host. Next subnet B equal 28 hosts, and the last subnet is subnet A equal 14 hosts. Okay, next is first one C equal 10 hosts, then one B equal 8 hosts, and the last one A equal 4 hosts. Okay, next step, every subnet have 3 PC and 1 switch and have IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway uh, after share. Okay, next step is connect for subnet and router. Then next step is configure router. First, configure router 0 for subnet A. I make code like this is enable configuration terminal, and I change name for router 0 to 1A. And then I configure interface LAN subnet A and 1A to router 1 and 1C to router 2. Next is I configure router 1 to subnet B. Okay, same this code for sub router 0 to subnet A, and uh, and I change name for router 1 is 1B, and last step is and last step configure router 2 for subnet C. I change name for router 2 like like I change name for router 2 to 1C. Okay, next step is configure static routing. Here I configure static routing router 0 or 1A. I make coding in this configure terminal, and I make IP route for configure static routing. Next is static routing router 1 to 1B and static routing router 2 or 1C. Okay. And the last step, I will test connection for every subnet. First, I test connection for subnet A to subnet B, and this output for okay. I test PC0 uh, PC0 make CMD. Here I ping IPPC3 and IP 119.116.8.142.166, and output is reply from. Uh, and this subnet A for subnet B, I will successful my connection. Okay, next for subnet B to subnet C, I make I make PC3 this to CMD, and my output is same like subnet A to subnet B. This reply from and I successful for connection subnet B to subnet C. And last part, I will test connection for subnet C to subnet A. Okay, in this make I membuat I I use PC6 and I use CMD for test connection and I use ping for PC0 like 192.116.42.19.8 and I successful for connection subnet C to subnet A. Okay, every subnet I successful for test connection. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.